Hey, it's Noah from Skillin It. We learn about life skills everyone should have. Before we begin, a quick shout out to Nathan and Jeff. Glad you like my videos and I hope you keep learning every day. Do you have a bad smell under your arms? Or maybe you notice people stay away from you. Maybe they even say you stink. Oh no, you may have body odor. Don't worry, everyone can have body odor, but it's usually pretty easy to get rid of. So grab your bar of soap and let's get to work.
Body odor usually happens under the arms, also called the armpit, and can be caused by a variety of reasons. It might be from the kinds of foods you eat, or if you do lots of exercise or work that makes you sweat a lot. Some people, however, may have a medical condition that causes persistent body odor. If you feel you have bad body odor all the time, it is best to see a doctor. The doctor can help you find an appropriate solution for you. There are several different kinds of deodorants that you can buy at your local store. I use a spray deodorant like this one. You can also use a stick deodorant like this. For the spray deodorant, first give the can a little shake. Next, take the cap off, raise your arm and place the deodorant about 4 to 6 inches away. Make sure the spray cap is facing your armpit. Press the nozzle down to spray. You only need to spray for about 1 to 2 seconds. Now raise your other arm and spray just like you did before. Some people prefer to use a stick or roll-on type. First, remove the cap. Next, you may need to twist the bottom to push the deodorant up, like this. After that, raise your arm and rub the deodorant stick up and down your armpit. Repeat on the other arm. Put that cap back on. You're done. That was easy. Pro tips. You should apply deodorant every morning before you start your day. Some people may have a religious belief or follow a certain lifestyle that does not allow them to wear deodorant. If possible, take a shower every day. When you do, make sure to wash under your arms with soap and water. Keep the stick clean by rinsing it under water. Always keep the cap on when you're not using it. If the stick won't move up anymore, it may mean that the deodorant is finished. You can throw the finished stick away or put it in a recycle bin whenever possible. Some people may have an allergy to certain deodorants. It's best to try a little on your skin first. If you feel itchy or your skin turns red or you have a burning sensation, do not continue to use that kind of deodorant. Try a different brand of deodorant or something that is all natural and does not contain any chemicals. Some natural alternatives to deodorant include witch hazel, baking soda, and apple cider vinegar. Be careful not to spray or apply the deodorant directly onto your clothing. This may stain your clothes. If you use a stick or roll-on deodorant, put your name on it. It's best not to share your deodorant with other people. Yuck! You can save money by buying multiple deodorants at once. Deodorants have different smells. Try 1 or 2 different ones to find a smell you like best. Deodorants may be separated by men and women in the store. This is because men and women may prefer different smells, but deodorant basically works the same, so choose the one that you like best.
Well, there you go. Now you know how to smell clean and fresh. Good for you. What life skill would you like me to talk about? Leave your suggestion in the comment section below. Make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button below. Until next time, stay cool, be kind, and keep skilling it. Ew, what's that smell? Hey cameraman, I think you needed some deodorant.